Welcome to AI for America, your source for all things related to artificial intelligence and its impact on education. In this video, we're going to explore how AI can help you maximize your GMAT score and get one step closer to achieving your business school goals. Let's start with AI-powered GMAT tutors. Magoosh and Ready4GMAT are two popular AI-powered GMAT tutoring platforms that provide personalized guidance based on your performance. They identify your areas of weakness and offer recommendations for improvement. These platforms simulate the one-on-one guidance of a human tutor and offer the convenience of 24/7 availability and the flexibility to learn at your own pace. Next, let's look at adaptive learning platforms. Empowered GMAT and Bloomberg Exam Prep are AI-driven adaptive learning platforms that adjust your learning experience based on your individual needs and progress. By analyzing your performance on practice questions and tailoring the difficulty level and subject focus, these platforms ensure you're consistently challenged and engaged for efficient and targeted GMAT preparation. If you're looking for AI-generated practice questions and explanations, GMAT Club is the way to go. This platform uses machine learning algorithms to provide high-quality, personalized practice materials and detailed explanations for each question, helping you understand the underlying concepts and improve your problem-solving skills. AI can also help you with the analytical writing assessment section of the GMAT. Write and Improve is an AI-powered essay grading tool that provides invaluable feedback on your AWA practice essays. The platform assesses your writing based on grammar, organization, and clarity of argument, helping you refine your writing skills and develop an effective strategy for tackling the AWA section. Grammarly is another AI-driven writing assistant that can help you identify and correct grammatical errors, enhance your vocabulary, and offer suggestions to improve clarity and conciseness. Using Grammarly as a supplementary tool, you can polish your writing skills and ensure that your AWA essays are free of errors and well-structured. Pro Writing Aid is another powerful AI-based writing tool that can assist GMAT test takers in refining their grammar and writing style. Pro Writing Aid offers in-depth grammar checking, style improvement suggestions, and a range of reports to help you identify patterns and weaknesses in your writing. By incorporating Pro Writing Aid into your AWA practice, you can further hone your writing skills and create compelling, error-free essays. AI can also help you with study schedules and time management. Study With Me is an AI-driven study planner that generates personalized study schedules based on your unique needs, learning style, and time constraints. This platform helps you monitor your progress, set goals, and adjust your study plan as needed, optimizing your preparation efforts. To enhance memory retention, try Brainscape. This AI-driven flashcard application uses spaced repetition techniques to help you retain GMAT concepts more effectively. By tracking your performance and determining the optimal intervals between study sessions, Brainscape ensures that you're reviewing material at the most effective times for long-term retention, helping you master core concepts and skills required for GMAT success. Managing stress and maintaining a positive mindset is crucial for achieving success on the GMAT. AI can help you with that too. Headspace and Calm are AI-driven mental health and wellness applications that can help you manage stress and maintain emotional well-being throughout your GMAT journey. These applications offer personalized relaxation techniques, mindfulness exercises, and motivational support to help you focus and achieve peak performance during your GMAT preparation. Of course, AI is not a substitute for hard work and dedicated study. You still need to put in the effort and practice consistently to achieve your desired GMAT score. But AI can help you study smarter, not harder, by providing personalized guidance, targeted practice materials, and efficient study techniques. In conclusion, AI offers many powerful tools and resources that can revolutionize your GMAT preparation process. By leveraging AI-driven platforms such as Magoosh, Ready4GMAT, Empowered GMAT, Bloomberg Exam Prep, GMAT Club, Write and Improve, Study With Me, Brainscape, Headspace, and Calm, you can maximize your chances of achieving your desired GMAT score. So embrace the power of AI and give yourself a competitive edge in your pursuit of business school success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.